I'm your friend Nanshi Garg. Today I want to share a wonderful knowledge which is always useful in life. I think that Prime Minister Modi ji refused the exam, so all the students are very perplexed for women's future. That's why I had brought a video. Now you don't need to any trouble. What do you aptitude me? You see a complete video. This is my promise. This video is always helpful in life. Today we are discussing about the what to do in career after 12. If you have passed your 12th from science stream. So what the options do you have in science stream? Start with engineering, BTech and BE. BTech, Bachelor of Technology, which is an undergraduate degree and this is totally based on practicals and develop your skills. And BE, Bachelor of Engineering. This is also an undergraduate degree, but this is totally based on theories. Both the courses complete in 4 years. Many Indian universities offers in engineering degree like IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi. After the GMAINS exam, you take admission. Now BR, Bachelor of Architecture. If you are interested in sketching and designing, and there is a work to build a house. To do the architecture course, firstly you clear GMAINS second exam. And now third is B Plan, Bachelor of Planning. How to change in source and environment. So you clear GMAINS third exams. Then you take government and private college as your wish. Who can do engineering degree? Those people can do BSc, BCA and BSc. This is a general degree and engineering is a professional degree. BSc, Bachelor of Science. BSc is an undergraduate degree usually 3 years duration. Some of the popular BSc course that students usually choose after 12th are BSc Chemistry, BSc Physics, BSc Mathematics and BSc Computer Science. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. This is also a 3 years and undergraduate course which deals with information technology and computer application. The same courses subjects include S, Java programming language and C++, core programming language, data structures and so on. And now BCS, Bachelor of Computer Science. This is also an undergraduate and 3 years course. This course facilitates the fundamentals of computer applications that are employed in various domains. Management. Business management is a lot of courses like BBM, BBS, BBE, certificates and diploma courses. Business management is that course which provides knowledge, training pertaining to planning, execution, supervision and analysis of a business. Now Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy is a fleet of ships that is responsible for transporting heavy goods from one country to another. It is essential part of the international trade as import and export through ships. Now defense. There are many career options for aspirants after 12th in defense, just like Indian Army officers, Indian Navy, military officer, ground duty officer, etc. If you are interested in defense, so you have to take admissions in colleges like Jawaharlal Nehru University, Pune University, etc. Cabin crew and air hostess. Cabin crew is one of the prime roles for aviation industry. A cabin crew comprise of air hostess female and stewardess males are responsible for the safety of the passengers. And languages are most important for this, and this is very beneficial for interview. And travel and tourism courses like BBA, BA, BTTM, etc. If you are interested in joining travel and tourism courses, students need to apply for diploma and graduate level course. And your qualification is only 12th exams. And many colleges offers in travel and tourism courses. May take admission on the basis of 12th. And then UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. If you dream to make IAS, IPS and IRS, so you can do UPSC with any stream. And now other courses. BDES, BBOC, BIMC, BSW and so on. BDES, Bachelor of Designing. This is also an undergraduate course. This in the field of design awarded for a course, generally 3 or 4 years. Now BVOC, Bachelor of Vocational Education, which is providing relevant skills. This is also a 3 years undergraduate course. And now government jobs for students like PSC, SSC, CHML, SSC, MTS, SSC stenographer, forest guard, GD constable, Indian Navy, Indian Army, and jobs in state governments. So start with PSC. State Public Service Commission. If you are interested in Tehsildar, Patwari, Deputy Collector, and etc., so you can do PSC. This is a state government. And SSC CHSL, Combined Higher Secondary Level, and SSC MTS, Multitasking Staff, is a under Government of India for various posts and various departments for Government of India. And then RRB, Railway Requirement Board. The RRB is managed by the Ministry of under Railway Requirement Board. And then Forest Guard. Forest Range Officer is the officers for State Government of India. They are also referred Forest Range Officer. Forest Range Officer is a gazetted officer. As you have heard, we can do many courses in Science Stream PCM. If you have passed your 12th from Science Stream PCB, open a pool of exciting career opportunities for students interested in pursuing in a career of medicine, biochemistry, and microbiology. BBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, and BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy and Surgery, and BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic and Surgery, and BUMS, Bachelor of Unani and Surgery, and BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, and D Pharma, all the courses related with doctor, and you can choose any courses and complete your dream. And now we'll start commerce, and you can choose right options for a bright future. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. Bachelor of Commerce is an undergraduate 3 years degree program imparted in full time as well as distance and education mode. And BBA. BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. BBA is a graduate degree which occupies the professional student's qualification. Now, hospitality and hotel management. The hospitality and hotel industry is a main related with travel and tourism courses. And BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. Bachelor of Computer Applications is a 3 years undergraduate degree which deals with information technology and computer application. And now CA, CS and CMA. CA, Chartered Accountant. CS, Company Secretary. And CMA, Cost and Management Accountant. These exams are designed by the ICMI, Institute of Cost and Management Accountant of India. And 6 months of practicals are required in appear of CA, CS and CMA. And articleship is essential parts for all the courses. These exams start with foundation, intermediate and final. Bank. Bank is one of the sector that is never out of employment opportunities, as there is a constant for hiring candidates who can understand the financial and progressivity. This is the reasons by pursuing bank. And after graduation, this is a train to pursue bank. And after graduation, another route is prepare for PU examination. For the government jobs required IBPS PU exam, whereas SBI and its associates required to PU exams. This is start with pre-examination and completed interview, and then law LLB. LLB is a graduate course and complete in 3 years, and then animation courses. To become an animator, diploma courses is mandatory. Only a few colleges offer the animation course, and duration of the course is 6 months to 1 year. If you want to take admission in college, you can choose Bachelor degree in Fine Arts BFA, and then fashion designing course and event management course and degree in economics. As you have heard, we can do many courses in commerce stream. So maybe this video is always helpful in life, and you can choose right options for a bright future. Thank you very much.